Hello and welcome to our YouTube page, where we will be sharing some exciting kids' room decor ideas for the year 2023. As we all know, designing a kid's room can be a challenging job, especially when you want to create a space that is both functional and fun for your little ones. In this video, we will share some trendy and creative ideas that will help you transform your kid's room into a dreamy and cozy place. 1. Space-inspired room decor. One of the latest trends in kids' room decor is a space-inspired theme. This theme includes elements like stars, planets, and galaxies to create a room that feels like an adventure through space. You can use wallpaper with galaxy print, star-shaped lighting fixtures, and celestial-themed carpeting to give your kids' room a cosmic feel. 2. Multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture is becoming increasingly popular as people look for ways to maximize their living areas. In a kid's room, this is especially helpful as it allows you to create a space that is both fun and functional. You can invest in a loft bed with a built-in desk or storage space underneath, or a bookshelf that works as a reading nook. These types of furniture will help you make the most out of your kid's room. 3. Jungle-themed room decor. Another popular theme for kids' rooms is a jungle-themed decor. It will help keep your kids moving and stimulated while also adding some character to the room. Thanks for watching.